Hi everybody, I'm gonna document here on how we able to get our White House tour in Washington D.C. So it's just very simple, but it just takes patience because it will take 3 months, less than 3 months actually, to get a response for the approval, because we got I emailed them June 6th or 16th, I forgot, but I got a response immediately from my state representative, which is Alabama, because each state you need to write from your representative, and then they will contact the White House for you, not you directly to the White House. And then after that, you will get an email about your request, and then you really need to have that email, and then because you need to click and register the name of the people who's gonna come in with you, and also the specific date that you want to come. So after that, they will also they're gonna send you another confirmation that's saying that they got the info, and you need to wait 3 weeks prior to the date that you're supposed to tour. So I will document it here and just check it out. Here's the website that I went, where I checked the rules and regulation on going to the White House. I'm gonna post the link below about this White House tour. You will see here the common questions regarding touring in the White House. Regarding with what to wear, you can wear whatever you want, of course, just not to be naked. But I wore a shorts and off-shoulder top, and no one said anything about it. Majority of the people who came there, they just wear a casual outdoor outfit, jeans. So no one was wearing formal clothes there. Videos are not allowed. You may bring your phone, you may take pictures, but no selfie sticks. In this link, you will find also the member of Congress. So you click that, and then you will go directly to the site where you need to type your zip code and some information, and then it will direct you to the name of the representative on your Congress or in your state. And then you email them, you write the info that you needed, like the address, city, and state. Then it directs you to the person that is representing you, and then we'll go to her page or to his page, and then you click contact the representative, and then you will send an email. Of course, you're gonna write the zip code and for extension. After writing them, after a few days, someone will email you regarding with your request, and then will ask you about how many people you're gonna come, and then the date that you're about to go, the exact date and exact time that you're gonna come. And then after few back and forth communication with the person or the representative, then just wait for another email from the White House itself that your booking is confirmed. They will give you a time that you need to be there, and the code number of this boarding pass. And then also you need to register the name of the people that is coming with you, exact name, who's gonna come with the right name in the ID, passport. And then you see the boarding pass there, you click that, and then it will directly goes to the boarding pass sheet
form where you need to print that, because there's the name of the person that you need so that you can get in, and then that's the CS number. So that's the proof that it's legit. Okay, so you need to come exact time that they assigned you to come, because it's by time. If you're late, you're not allowed to come in. We're going for a White House tour and we're just waiting for our slot. We were given a time 8:30 in the morning and also 11 a.m. So we missed the 8:30, so we're going for the 11. So now it's 10:25, so we are still waiting for a bit more time before coming in, but we need to get in a bit early. Okay. As you come into the White House, it's not directly to the White House immediately. There's a specific gate that you need to go, not the front gate of the White House. It's from the back side, it's from the east wing, so don't get confused. The Secret Service will definitely gonna check you, so be sure you wear comfortable clothes, and also don't bring too much stuffs, because even if they have a storage area there that you can just pay a few bucks to store your items, but still it's hassle to bring those stuffs. Keep in mind, this is just an east wing, so don't expect that you will see a lot. This area isn't been used by the White House for a long time, so you will just see minimum items, but still it's still worth it, and it's still fun that you experience to come into the White House. So just a heads up, I'm Asian, I'm not from here in US, so I need to bring my passport. So even if you have a green card, they're still gonna ask your passport and gonna check it. I was worried at first because my passport was expired, and the reason why I went to the Washington is for the renewal of my passport to the Philippine Embassy. So we just need to go also, and as well to go to the White House. But then I just took a risk, and then they didn't bother about the fact that my passport was expired. So the important is just bring the IDs that you needed. If you're not national or Americans, then just bring your passport. We just got out from the White House, and it's just a quick tour. We're just in the East Wing, and it's still fun, and you still see lots of stuff there in collection, red, green, blue rooms, and also here's the exit, the back side.